Hi, this is Mark. This is the 13th of January 2025. I get asked all the time about how to manage open trades, so I'm going to do a quick run through here. This is the British pound. I took it last week. I checked back in my blog. This trade is currently 300 pips in profit, and I moved the stop at the weekend to lock in some profit, and I have taken off 40% of the profit already because I don't want it to come back and take me out altogether. So now when I start looking is, well, where do I think this thing is going next? And for that, I have to go to the weekly. We broke a weekly trend line, and recently that was a significant breakdown. And so now I'm looking and thinking, okay, well, 120, whole number, decimal 10 is a good area to suspect this will probably react, at least a bounce. And then after that, you just have to keep looking left. Now to manage this, we're miles away from anything at the moment. I go down to a 4-hour chart. And a 4-hour chart, I am looking at where did price consolidate. And after the initial break, price clearly consolidated here. And then we had a bigger area of consolidation here at 123.30, just above the whole number of 123. And I have now moved my stop there. So if this thing comes back and takes me out, I will still bank 100 pips. A reason I'm letting this run is the British economy is screwed. The government are useless. The bond market is in turmoil, and I last week sent out a message to my private investing group. I had converted all spare pounds into dollars or gold. Now the other one, the trade I was in, where have we gone? AUD yen. So the AUD yen, this was the entry, the initial stop was up here. This now is 250 pips in profit. And again, we had a significant break of the trend line last week. I moved the stop over the weekend to here, so I'd locked in 70, and I have taken 50% of the profit off on this already, and I tend to do this quite a lot. So other areas now that we start to think of, well, 96 would be an area to expect it to bounce today, because that would be the average daily range. And that was my initial target. However, I'm going to move this down a little bit further, and I'm going to come in here with these recent moves here. You can see where price bounced here, 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 and here. And to then keep managing it, well, let's go down to the 4-hour again to move the stop. So the area of consolidation I had the other day was in here. And then we've come down into here. And if price was to bounce up to here today, that would be 80 pips. And again, that's almost the day's range. So I'm going to move the stop now on this one in here. And so I have now on the balance of this one locked in 155. So that's what I do. It's a lot clearer on that pound one I just shown you, where the consolidation was stronger. And my conviction for the pound to drop is greater because of the state of the economy and the state of the idiots in government that are running it. Okay, I hope that helps. Catch you later.